Thanks, Aaron. Rochester Police Department is warning of a possible uptick in drug overdose deaths linked with what they say may be counterfeit pills.
Yeah, KIMT News 3's Anthony Monzon joins us live with details on their investigation. Anthony?
Well, Katie and George, the Rochester Police Department says it's looking into how an 18-year-old and 22-year-old male died this past week. Now, they haven't yet determined a cause of death for either of them. However, they say these pills are of particular interest to them. Officials tell us they were seized last month in a bust and are shaped and imprinted to resemble oxycodone. However, they may in fact be fentanyl, a highly potent and often deadly drug. RPD says one of those two male victims was seen purchasing and using a pill resembling oxycodone, and the other had a history of drug use. Captain Casey Moylanen of RPD says it's never a good idea to buy prescription drugs on the street, and adds those selling them likely don't know what their pills actually contain.
They may think they have a bunch of oxy pills and they're just oxy, when in fact they've got fentanyl in them. And so I would warn them that they should also stop buying these pills and selling these pills, because if they do sell them and somebody dies, they could be held responsible for it and be arrested and charged and sent to prison.
And the captain adds RPD does not see laced pills like this all the time, but when they do see a spike in them, they feel it's important to notify the community. He also notes this is a nationwide issue, with local and federal law enforcement partners having also identified some of these similar counterfeit pills. Live in Rochester, Anthony Monzon, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Anthony. Captain Moylanen says if you or someone you know take one of these pills and start to overdose, call 911. He adds Good Samaritan laws in Minnesota prevent you from being charged for a drug crime if you do so.